Hey Mark, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting you a free custom video for your website, mdelectricalsolutionsllc.com. In this video, I plan to show you some ways you can utilize to get more customers every single month, and also how to beat out your local competition and increase your online presence. I try to make these custom videos because I think it separates me from so many other marketers out there, because I'm actually showing you real substance, things you can actually do today, and specifically related to your website. So I really hope you like this video. If you do, please reach out to me. I can definitely work with you. So 3 things I want to talk about in this video are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So I'll start with the content here on your home page. Google loves content, and they love to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. When you have that many, you're separating yourself from all the other competitors, because they definitely don't have that many, and that's really what Google's looking for, to get you on the first page of the Google search results. Your website's really nice. I went through it. It has good color combination and it looks pretty contemporary, but you're definitely lacking a lot of content. So you can put like 1,500 more words here, which are going to be keyword dense, ranking for the keywords that you're looking for and you want to target for. The second thing I wanted to talk about was going to be citations. So citations, basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business contact information, such as your name, address, and phone number. That counts as one citation. Most of these citations are going to take place on online directories such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Home Advisor, those kind of websites. So, and you want to list it on as many as you possibly can, because that's really going to put your visibility out there and make you the bigger authority in your local space. I did a quick search, electrician, Stanhope, New Jersey. That's where your company is located. And I just wanted to show you what a typical Google search encompasses. So this top section right here is called the Google Guaranteed section. And this is a paid service through Google. And they usually also have the traditional Google ads, and that's also a paid service. Secondly, they have this Google My Business area. It's also called the Google Map Pack. It's a really good place to be on, and I see that you guys have made it onto the top 3 spot, and that's definitely a place to be at. But the one thing I didn't see where you guys are at, since you're on the Map Pack, you're not on the organic search, which is this next section. This is called the organic section. This is littered with like Yelp and expertise.com, Home Advisor, but in between all of them, there are companies who beat out everybody else and make it to the front page, like these guys. Loftus Electric, they're here, and they're also on the Map Pack as well. So you want to make sure you're not just on the Map Pack, you're also on the first page. Now, 95% of the clicks happen on the first page. These are the organic results. This builds up with good SEO, good search engine optimization on your website. Now, nobody really goes to the second or third page. Like I said, 95% of the people click on the first page and find some business over there. I searched the second and third page. I didn't find your company. So you definitely can use better citations and better content, which is going to make sure you're up here on the front page. And secondly, I wanted to show you backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid subscription. I pay for it every month, but it gives me really good information. So backlink is basically any website out there which is pointing to your website, and which ultimately drives traffic to your website. So the more backlinks you have and more referring domains you have pointing at you, the higher you're going to rank in Google search results. Right now you guys have 38 backlinks from 8 referring domains. You're targeting 20 keywords, and you're getting about 6 unique visitors per month. So just to give you a comparison with those other Loftus guys, I guess they're your local competition, this is what their performance looks like. They have 75 backlinks from 23 referring domains. They're hitting 93 keywords, and they're getting about 36 unique visitors. Now these numbers are not that hard to beat with the correct thing, but as you can see, they're just a bit better on everything. That's why they also rank on the first page. So this is your numbers. From what I see and I search, you can definitely beat them by a lot just by implementing these few things that I told you, and get that first page customers out there, because the whole point of your website is just to attract more customers to your business. I really hope you like this video. I have a lot more I can offer, and this is exactly what we do is boost businesses. We basically try to maximize the revenue and profit for you guys. So I really would like to know what your feedback is, and with that, you have a great day.